Hello, to turn on call forwarding on Redmi Note 14, first of all you have to go into the phone application, then you have to press these three dots on the top right corner and go into settings, and go into calling accounts, yes, and right there we have the call forwarding, and we have to wait for the settings to load, and if you're doing it for the first time it might take a little bit longer, so let's wait. And actually, as you can see, we have four options for call forwarding. We can forward calls when we can always forward the calls. We can forward when busy. We can forward when unanswered and when unreachable. So we simply, I don't know, let's for example say when I don't pick up my phone, let's select the when unanswered option, and right here I have to simply enter the number which I want to forward the calls to. So basically that's how to do it. After you do this, you press this button to turn on, and yeah, simple as that. Thank you for watching.